County commissioners just revisited a 70-year-old murder case because they now believe authorities executed an innocent man. Tommy Lee Walker maintained his innocence right up until he was put to death in the electric chair. And the son who never got to meet him just told Brittany Moncrief this is a moment he's been waiting for.
In this Dallas County courtroom, 1954, 19-year-old Tommy Lee Walker was convicted of the rape and murder of Venice Parker, a white woman. With crowds gathered, Walker awaited his fate. And now 70 years later, just feet away from where he sat,
to see that justice is done,
his son, Edward Lee Smith, still waits.
Growing up without a father, this was hard for me.
Because Edward was born just hours after Venice was murdered near Love Field. A Dallas police officer claimed Venice said a black man was the attacker. And after Tommy Lee was arrested months later, it took an all-white jury less than 2 hours to convict him.
She said, baby, they give your father the electric chair.
Tommy Lee was executed in 1956.
I had to go without a father. 70-some years.
70 years, still fighting for his father's innocence. Journalist Mary Mapes wrote about Tommy's case gaining the attention of the Innocence Project and the Civil Rights and Restorative Justice Project. They say one of the officers involved was a known Ku Klux Klan member. They also say officers arrested Tommy without probable cause, suppressed evidence, and used interrogation techniques that led to a false confession, which Tommy later recanted.
I feel that I have been tricked out of my life.
Dallas County Criminal District Attorney John Crezeau argued before county commissioners that Tommy was wrongfully convicted. And in a unanimous decision,
the Dallas County Commissioners Court does hereby formally recognize and declare that Tommy Lee Walker was wrongfully convicted and executed.
I mean, he knew his father was innocent, but now it's public. That stain has gone away.
And also celebrating in the courtroom,
try not to make the same mistake again,
was Venice's son, Joseph Parker.
This is my new friend.
I was talking about you.
Though both lost parents tragically, it's justice that brought them together.
Love everybody. In spite of what happened to my father, I still love people.
In Dallas, I'm Brittany Moncrief.